this is Shakadara Khan, and today I'm going to start my learning series, Learn Within 3 Minutes. And now this is the part 1 where we'll learn the accessibility basics within 3 minutes. So let's go, start it. Just think, last night you have faced an accident and unfortunately you have a broken arm. Or maybe you have any friend or family member who are facing some problems with visualization, auditory problem or color blindness. So what happened when they tried to use any software or any mobile phone or any tab or any site? And do you know, according to WHO 2023, there are significant disability for 1.3 billion people, which is 1% in 6 people. Can you imagine? So there is a huge number, right? You cannot leave them to use your product, like the software or any tool or any technology. So the digital accessibility is an abstract idea by which you have to design or develop a tool or technology or any site where all people have the access to use it. If there is any problem with visualization for any user, your product or your software must have the option for a screen reader or a screen magnifier so that he can use it easily. On the other hand, for the user of color blindness, your product or your software must have the proper color contrast. Not only for the users of disabilities, there are different type of users like the older people, people from regional areas, or the people from different countries where English is not their first language, or the situation limitations, as I said, that you have a broken arm or any temporary visual problem. So to cover all of the users, your product or software must have the features so that all type of users can use your product. Digital accessibility ensures that no one is left behind to have the blessings of technology. No matter that the user is disabled or not, everyone should have the access to use the product or software, the tools or technology. Your responsibility is to impose all of the accessibility rules to design your tools or software or product. So for a particular software, website or tool, a user experience design is successful when all of the accessibility rules will be imposed and the usability for the users will be easy, quick and comfortable. That's it. And there are lots of guidelines and policies of accessibility. Next part, we'll have some idea on accessibility guidelines. Thank you.